we're gonna get started on our word problem starring Kiomara and Corriana. And I don't want to do too much of it with you because I want you guys working on these on your own, but I am going to check your answers on Google Classroom when you've finished, okay? So let's remember our cube strategy. C. When I say circle, you say key numbers. Circle. Circle. When I say underline, you say the question. Underline. Underline. When I say, when I say box, you say action words. Box. Box. When I say evaluate, you say eliminate. Evaluate. Evaluate. When I say show your work, you say and check it. Show your work. Show your work. Okay, so you can say that in your head to help you remember the steps in order because you don't always have these in front of you. So let's start with C. What are our main numbers? Key numbers. What's the question? How many pennies does Corriana have? Oh, we actually didn't read it yet. Let me read it. We'll read it twice. Kiomara has 19 more pennies than Corriana. Kiomara has 27 pennies. How many pennies does Corriana have? We'll read it one more time, too. Kiomara has 19 more pennies than Corriana. Kiomara has 27 pennies. How many pennies does Corriana have? So what's this story about? Even if you're not looking at it, what is the story about? Kiomara has more pennies than Corriana, and we want to know how many Corriana has. Okay, so we circled our key numbers, underline the question. Time to box. She has more. That's really it. They just have pennies. What could we eliminate? Our friends. It could be something else besides pennies too. Okay, now it's time to show our work and check it. So we've read, now we need to draw, then we will write. So we need to draw either a number bond or a tape diagram to show who has more. So who has more, Kiomara or Corriana? Kiomara has 19 more pennies than Corriana. Who has more pennies? We need to think about that. So we need to make if you're doing a tape diagram, you have to make a bar for Kiomara and a bar for Corriana. Whose bar is going to be bigger? You need to think about that. We know one of the person's bars. Who do we know? Do we know Kiomara's or do we know Corriana's? Kiomara has 27 pennies. So we need a bar for Kiki, a bar for Corriana, and then we're going to compare how many pennies does Corriana have. We need to find that answer. All right, so I'm not going to draw with you. I want you to draw on your own over here, either a tape diagram or a number bond. Make sure you label Corriana and Kiomara so we know whose is whose. And then write out your complete answer. Go ahead, do your work on Google Classroom. If you want to write out the whole problem too, you can do that, or you just scroll up on the Google form on Google Classroom and it'll have the story written for you again with a big picture of a penny. So go back and read the problem again if you need another hint. Okay, can't wait to see what you guys do.